Hey everyone, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically play audio in Google Slides. Yeah, it's actually super simple once you know the steps, so let's dive right in. First, open the Google Slides presentation where you want your audio to play automatically. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, obviously. Next, go to the slide where you want the audio, then click on Insert in the top menu and select Audio. Choose the audio file you want from Google Drive. After adding your audio, click on the audio icon on your slide, then open the Format Options panel on the right. Here's the important part. Under Audio Playback, select Automatically. Yeah, this makes the audio start as soon as the slide opens. You can also adjust things like volume, looping, or hiding the audio icon during presentation. These are optional, but can make your slides cleaner and smoother. And that's it. Now your audio will play automatically whenever the slide appears. Yeah, it's really that simple. Make sure to test your presentation to check the timing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, stick around for more tips.